Hello, I'm Don Marshall, and this is our stockmarketcaddy.com. You are specifically looking at what we call the swing machine. The swing machine. And let me introduce myself and our product, the swing machine. Today is August 19th at 2:34. Please understand that the swing machine is running on the TradeStation platform called Radar. The software behind the swinging machine is our own proprietary written software, or I should say, our proprietary written code utilizing the TradeStation software or computer language called Easy Language. We are not affiliated with TradeStation. We are an extremely happy customer and cannot recommend them more highly to anyone who is trying to trade futures, stocks, or options, and in particular trying to do so for a living. The swing machine was developed by my wife and I more than now 15, 20 years ago. It has we have made very few changes to it. We have a number of other assets that we employ, but the swing machine is the cornerstone to what it is we do every single day. It does not use moving averages. It is not the stochastics and the MACDs and God knows what else repackaged. It doesn't use any of that stuff. Most of that stuff, I think you will find over time, unfortunately, does not work. The swing machine is based on price. It is based on the distribution of price, and it looks at price in a manner that is just very, very unique. And it tells us whether we want to be entering or, the exits are really discretionary, but it will, in essence, give you a hard exit. But it'll also help you monitor what is going on inside the trade so you know whether to stay in the trade or to exit out. It's very consistent, very objective, and it's to be used in conjunction with what we call price charts, not time-based charts. Swing machine is based on time. You have a superb view of what is going on in the markets based on time. But we use price charts to augment. We trade futures intraday utilizing a 5 and 1 minute. 1 minute is the trigger. 5 minute is a kind of a governing position, although sometimes we will move into the 5 minute trend, if you will. And we also provide videos at night of the swing machine running on daily and weekly and monthly bases. We also develop proprietary strategies and indicators, and we provide these to our members. Let me explain the membership. Everybody wants to know how much. The base membership is $99 a month, $99.95, $100 a month, and you get a video representation of what we're looking at and our numbers that are very unique. We're not going from chart to chart, but you get a chance to see that every single night, Sunday through Thursday. And we try to support you in every way we can. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything, but we are a mentoring site so that we hope to give you some valuable insights and some valuable setups. And then the second membership that we have, everyone is a base member. If you like what you see, and we try to structure our membership so that if you don't like what you see, you have not spent a lot of money. If you join for a month and you don't like it, you don't learn anything, which isn't going to be the case. But if you didn't, you're only out $100. If you want to become a level 2 member and trade intraday actively, particularly futures, similarly to us, you can do that by becoming a level 2 member. The first step in being a level 2 member is to go through a 6-week tutorial, a tutorship. We will teach you the way that we trade. We encourage you to do that in Sim. The cost of that program is $1,500. Toward the end of that 6 weeks, you have an option. You can say, I've learned a lot, but I'm not interested, and move on, and we'll all be friends, and but we don't think that'll happen. We haven't had anyone do that yet, actually. But if you want the very same products that we're utilizing during, and if you're trading in sim, you'll have a real good idea, because we do believe in simulation. If it's good enough for pilots and trained engineers, it's good enough for trading. And if you want the very same tools on your computer, the annual lease is $5,000. But before you recoil, we will subsidize your education, the $1,500 that you paid. We will apply that to the annual lease, thereby making the annual lease $3,500. Now, what do you get for that $3,500? Well, you get constant access to us, Bag of Dawn if you'd like. You get complete and total access to all of our proprietary indicators and strategies. These are strategies that enter and exit by computer on futures markets of a time of your choosing. But all of the work that we have done, we provide that to you at no additional cost. Of course, to optimize that, maximize that, you would need to be on the TradeStation platform. Our products don't work on anyone else's platform. We will also help you in time if you want to develop your own strategy or indicator. We can, if we haven't written it before, we can write that, back test it, forward test it, and basically be your support from there. Additionally, for however long we continue to do or operate Stock Market Caddy, which we hope is a good long time, we will never increase our prices on you. They'll always be the same. So the annual lease on your anniversary date would be $3,500 plus the base membership. If this interests you, a consistent and objective way of viewing of the markets, please give me a call. 813-758-8263. 813-758-8263. You're welcome to call anytime. I'm happy to talk with you. And if you're interested from there, we can set up what we call a hall pass, where you can come in and over a period of maybe an hour or so, I'll explain to you how the swing machine is working. And you can see these trade purses even as we've been talking. Oil on a 1 minute, up $590. Silver, $400. Gold, $340. Here's the NASDAQ, 48 minutes, 175. Today's been a pretty sedate, pretty quiet day. But we'll give you an orientation and show you the logic behind how this works. And it's very consistent with how an active trader should be trading. And we'll explain that. I think even during the hall pass, you'll learn quite a bit. So once again, if you like this approach, feel free to give me a call. Feel free to send me an email as to when I should call you. And we hope you'll join our club. We are a mentoring club, a private mentorship. And we think what we do is very unique. Our membership is growing. We really don't advertise. It's word of mouth. And somehow, some way, you just found us. And other members have said that we have had a profound impact, not just on their trading, but on their lives. People can do very, very well. What we try to do mechanically is to take out the negative outlier. You know, if you're finding yourself, making some money and then giving it back and then some, there's a reason for that. And we can address it, and that's the first thing we put a stop to. You want to advance. You want to make money, hold it, make money, hold it, make money, hold it. We have to teach you how not to lose, and certainly not to lose big. Once again, I'm Bag of Dawn, StockMarketCaddy.com. My phone number, 813-758-8263. I hope to chat with you soon. Thanks. Goodbye.